Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Cork Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. This is a beautiful spec and is part of our pre-owned inventory. This specific one has a little over 38,000 miles on the odometer and still looks brand new. Good amount of third row room. I'll go ahead and I'll sit back there. Good amount of leg room, tons of headroom. Let's see. Strap, that goes up there. That comes back down and then up. Not bad back here. I mean, if you want more room, of course you can go with the Suburban, which provides a lot more rear seat room. Ooh. Tungsten metallic is the exterior color on this example. All your owner's manuals and booklets. That's a pretty cool feature. I always loved that. You do have a light in there as well. This one has the 5.3 liter V8, and it is a ton of fun to drive over these bumps. No big issues at all. What I love about the Tahoe is it just drives unlike any other vehicle. It's definitely, I feel, the most rugged feeling full-size SUV on the market. It's definitely one of my favorites. Ton of room inside, good amount of rear seat room. Third row is perfectly adequate for the segment. The Tahoe is an excellent vehicle. This LT, it was the mid-level trim back in 2017. It still is to this day, I believe. This one has upgraded wheels, as you can see. You also had above this the LTZ, and then the High Country. This thing has a ton of power. The 5.3 was also found in the Silverado and the Sierra as the entry-level engine. You could upgrade to the 6.2, and I believe that was the case for the Tahoe as well. I believe you could get the Tahoe in the 6.2. This example drives really, really well, almost as good as a brand new one. Only thing that lets me know it has the mileage is the odometer. The steering wheel is still in excellent condition. It's not worn out or anything like that. All of the dashboard leather, no cracks or anything of the sort. The seats aren't showing much wear at all. Very, very, very nice example. Non-smoker's car as well. I tend not to drive any smokers' cars, mainly because I can't stand the smell myself. Waiting for the traffic to clear. It's funny, during this global pandemic, I've been coming down to Massachusetts towards the tail end of things, and it's kind of funny to see how much traffic is building up now compared to what it was. Nice and easy to drive on these narrower roads in traffic itself. No complaints whatsoever. Because of our certified sticker blocking the camera, it's not working as of right now, but it does have forward collision avoidance, as well as, I believe, radar cruise control. As I just stated, this is part of our certified pre-owned inventory, which gives it a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, 1 year emergency roadside assistance, 1 year travel expense reimbursement. So say you're driving this across country, you break down, what we'll do is we'll pay for your hotel for the night, for the disservice of the car breaking down, something like that. It's a pretty cool idea. I'm a huge fan of it. You also have 1 year of tire hazard protection. So say you run over a bunch of nails in the road, for 1 year you can get your tires replaced. Pretty cool. Definitely something to consider when you're in the market for a new to you vehicle. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.